we are gonna eat. What is this place called?
Those Gringos tacos.
I don't think it was Gringos, but
Whatever.
someplace. Food truck in Monaco.
You're like not even in the picture. You can see Maddox's head.
I put. Wow, that was a cilantro-y onion, which don't make sense. I'm trying to get this to where you can see us instead of Maddox's sleeping beauty face, but I can't do it. So I'm just gonna have to eat this way, unless you just want to watch Kelly eat. Oh yeah. Is that yummy? All right. Wonder if Maddox is gonna wake up during this. So let's see, what's in this red sauce?
Salsa.
They make this thing so small, how can you open it? Alright, I'm going to eat this. It's been a long time since we did a mukbang. We're boring parents now that don't do anything. Was Maddox in the old mukbangs? I don't remember.
The sauces are
How
really
did I already
good.
get something in my mustache? I didn't even take a bite yet.
Sauces are very good. Very good.
It doesn't taste like Mexican. It tastes like you took a rotisserie chicken from Walmart and threw it on a tortilla from Walmart with a bunch of fake Mexican condiments like onions and cilantro and lime. We got a fry and 6 tacos for $32. Oh. I'm gonna cream. It's actually kind of good.
It's pretty good, yeah.
But I don't think the rotisserie thing is a good idea. Makes it kind of weird.
Mexican Coke?
That was my Mexican Coke.
Good Coke.
It probably just tastes like Coke. That bite was spicy.
There's nothing spicy on here.
That time there was. Not sure what makes this a Mexican Coke. I guess because it's got cane sugar in it. It actually does taste kind of different.
Yeah.
I like American Coke better. I need those chemicals that are banned in other countries.
The fries are really good.
The Taco Bell mukbangs are cheaper. What's this stuff?
Salsa. That's good.
Look at these little containers. Like, imagine Kevin trying to open this with those fat fingers. That's very cilantro-y cilantro.
Good.
It's spicy, and it's not good. It's actually...
It is good. It's good.
I don't know why I licked it. I mean, I'll try it. Well, oh, in case Mom's watching, this is your invitation to Maddox's birthday party last month. Have to get that tea sometime. Is it good or should I stop? I should have not put this on there.
I mean, I like it.
I don't know if anybody ever had Low Key Taco in Cranberry. I think they closed, but if not, don't. They suck.
Good.
Yeah, I'm just not a fan of these tacos. Something about fatty rotisserie chicken on a taco doesn't make sense to me. I should have got a beef taco. I'm like the worst eater ever. There's some kind of chunk of fuzz
Ew.
on my lime. And it's not mold. It is like a fake Santa Claus beard. It is like legit white. You know what? It's actually probably the carpeting on my truck. I just used this carpeting from a customer's
Now
house
you moved
left
that,
over.
and now you're not going to be able to put it back.
And I seem to have made a chunk of carpeting fall onto there. Oh, now you could kind of see Kelly, but I gotta lean even further. Apparently my truck's too big for, whatever.
I don't know.
I just can't get into this rotisserie chicken. The chicken's super good though, but it belongs like...
It's not bad.
It belongs on a plate with mashed potatoes and corn, not really on a taco.
Or gravy. Like, that's chicken gravy.
Yeah, it's just not Mexican. That's not Mexican chicken. Do Mexicans even eat rotisserie chickens? Do Mexicans even eat chicken? Well, chicken quesadilla. I don't know.
What?
You're trying to eat all the toppings off. At some point, I bumped the button and stopped recording. In that time, Maddox woke up. He's still slightly sleepy. I'm not sure what audience missed from this video. Honestly, probably nothing. But now you can see our baby boy.
So, ultimately, not a bad taco. But for $30, the chicken is definitely not worth the price.
Do you realize how much Taco Bell you can eat for $30? That's like 6 $5 boxes. That means for the same price you can get 6 drinks, 6 bags of cinnamon twist, and like
I'm full.
18 tacos for what we paid for a fry and 6 tacos.
Maddox. Maddox. Baby,
Hey,
you okay?
want some juice? Here it comes. Uh-oh. Ooh. Thought he was gonna cry. French fry? Oh, I missed. My dad said this place was like the greatest taco place ever. I still say Taco Bell is. What? What?
What are you doing? doing back there?
That wasn't that great. Would have been a good shrimp taco. Did you backwash in my drink?
No.
What the heck is that?
What's wrong here?
Like, what do they put in their Mexican Coke? It has like gasoline tint to it. That's probably the Mexican water. You're not allowed to drink the water in Mexico, but then the first ingredient on this is water. See if it's even really made in Mexico. Says product of Mexico.
Is that still filming?
Yeah, why?
This is like the most boring mukbang I've ever heard, and I'm not even watching it.
We were having an educational video about CocaCola, and you're the one not paying attention with your booty. Oh, what's that, Max? See how these fries taste. If they're bored with the video, they're not watching right now, so who cares? I don't freaking care. They can make their own video. Okay, the fries are way better than the tacos.
Wait till you eat a couple. They get to you.
Okay. Okay, I just got super saltiness from the cheese.
They put too much cheese on it. It's super good. Like
the first bite was so good, and now it's like so salty and gross.
It's really good with like the jalapenos and all the toppings. But
oh, everything you ate off the top?
Yeah.
This thing was loaded. I mean, it's cool to have a food truck, but
I'm tired.
This one's just not for me. I think other people would like it. So every mukbang in the past, we've always trash talked somebody and hoped that they didn't watch because we forgot it was filming. So who do you want to do that to today? I like the fries.
He's just falling back to sleep.
Apparently my video is putting him to sleep too. I mean, I don't think it's that boring of a mukbang.
It is.
A mukbang is just watching people eat food.
It is. Like behind you.
Well,
Sleeping. I guess I'll take a bite of this hot chocolate cookie, but I really don't want it.
The onions are the best part.
Yeah. No, the jalapenos are the best part.
Purple pickled onions.
They didn't put a lot.
I mean, we can make the video better if anybody wants to watch the next video we do, which will be eating mackerel, fermented shark, surströmming, which is fermented herring, and stinky
Mexican
tofu.
hot chocolate.
I gotta poop now. What?
They're kind of spicy.
Nuh-uh. Are you serious? You're lying. I don't want that crap. I said I wanted a cookie. It says spices. Are they spicy?
They're not They're actually really good.
No, if I bite into that thing and I got some stupid chipotle or something, I'm gonna be ticked off. Stupid Mexicans always put chipotle in everything. What? I didn't mean it like in a
No, you gotta try this cookie.
racist way. It just meant they were stupid. They put cayenne pepper in chocolate.
Yeah, like this one. It's tickling.
I don't know what that was, but it was rubbery and it felt like an egg. Ugh. I'm gonna get jacked up from all this. I got stomach problems.
You picked it.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Okay. The fries are good. You're
Yeah.
crazy.
No, I like the fries.
That one was spicy too. What is this?
What? That's a cheese.
That's an egg. Hi. Kevin's calling me. You call me every freaking mukbang. Huh? The jalapeno was spicy. Yeah, it was. There ain't any more.
Because I ate them all. And I didn't cry about it. No. Listen, don't let him eat these cookies. They're spicy.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious.
You're kidding. I don't freaking want them, man. Eat those fries. I
I
can't
don't
stop
want
eating
anymore.
them.
My stomach's upset.
The fries are good. Mm-hmm.
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 Mm-hmm. I'm done.
Anybody that watches this video closed it by now, so they don't even know if the fries are good.
Mm-hmm. I'm done.
They're so good. My suggestion, don't get any tacos from them. Just get fries.
Well, they have quesadillas and stuff too.
And don't get the cookies. I don't even know if I'm going to try them. Just kidding. Their cheese is good.
Yeah. Alright.
These fries are so good. You could add meat to the fries
Mm-hmm.
for $2. Alright, I'm gonna throw up. I can't eat no more. Now, are you done with this?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Them are good.
I'm positive. I'm
The
full.
fries are good. Look at all these people. The food.
Let's get out of here.
It was good. I mean, it was my favorite. It was good. Alright. Take a sip of my Mexican Coke. Oh my god.
You're silly. You're so
Alright.
tired. Just take a bite.
Are they that spicy?
I thought they were really good, but if you're full, it's gonna make your tummy hurt. Oh no.
No dry.
Good. Very chocolatey.
Spicy.
You wait.
What? Well, that's not spicy. You're lying. I think you had a chunk of something stuck in your teeth.
I don't know. Mine was spicy.
It doesn't even taste like it's meant to be spicy. I'm not feeling it. It's a good cookie.
Yeah, that's good.
Cookie?
No, because mine was spicy.
Mine ain't.
No, he needs to eat dinner. No.
I'm never allowed to do anything.
Oh my god.
They all said this was what marriage was going to be like. Kind of tastes like a chocolate chip gingerbread cookie.
Yeah.
I like it. I actually have a little bit of spice in the back of my throat.
Oh. Oh yeah?
I don't know where it came from. It just
came
started.
from the cookie.
Cookies aren't spicy. You're wrong. Okay, so I think they just can't mix in a blender because now my whole mouth's on fire.
Yeah.
I ate that whole
Got it.
cookie and it wasn't. I'm gonna have heartburn from this. Alright, we're gonna go get Maddox something to eat now. Maybe he'll do a mukbang. Say bye, Maddox. Say bye.
He's not amused at all.
Say cheese.